Hello guys, my name is Tuti Singhal and I have done exploratory data analysis over the IPL matches which have been played from 2008 to 2019. This task is a part of Sparks Foundation internship which I am currently doing. And here the aim in this task is to identify the most successful teams who have played over the years, the most successful players, factors contributing to the win and loss of a team, and suggesting teams or players which a company should endorse for its products. Right. So, firstly, I have imported all the relevant libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Warnings, etc. Then I've tried to read the data sets. These data sets are in the CSV format, and these are the data sets of the deliveries which players have delivered over the years, the matches that have been played in various cities across India. And then I have seen this shape of both the CSV files. So firstly, I've done data pre-processing when I have tried to analyze the values which have been null. So these are the values: the player dismissed, dismissal kind, and fielder values. So I have tried to drop these values, and I have also tried to remove the irrelevant columns which won't be useful in the analysis. So player dismissed, inning, bowler, bowling team, and all these kind of things are dropped. Then I also saw the matches, the uh, things which are null. So I saw the empire column and city, they are null. So I dropped the empire columns, and for the city, I tried to find the unique values where all these have been played, the matches have been played. So after seeing the values which are null, and I also saw the date, so I came across that these cities are null. These seven places are null values in the 2014 match which was played. So after Googling, I found out that Dubai was the city wherein the match in 2014 was played. So I filled all the null values in the city with Dubai. And again, after seeing the is null function, city is again filled. And for the winner and the player of the match, these are again null. So, but one thing which was observed was that the winner was null when there was no result in the match. Like there was nothing as such, like tie would have happened, so there was no result. In that case, the winner was uh, not a number. Uh, so I left it as it is. I didn't fill the values. Um, there is a winner value when the result was nothing. After that, I again try to see the shape after dropping all of that and cleaning. So now when we come to analysis, first we'll analyze player wise. So analyzing through the man of the match value counts function, I come across that Chris Gale was the most number of time he was declared player of the match. And after that, I've tried to plot this thing. So Chris Gale has been the player of the match most of the time, then ABD Villiers, then Warner, MS Dhoni, and so on and so forth. After that, I've tried to see the player with most number of runs in the IPL history. So firstly, I did group by batsmen and I could sum the batsmen runs. Then I arranged them, uh, sorting uh, from highest to lowest. And yes, so we could see that Virat Kohli has scored most number of runs over the years than SK Raina, RG Sharma, and all. So I tried to plot that. Uh, Here we see that the same thing, Virat Kohli, SK Raina. After that, I've done analysis of the teams. So in the team analysis, we see that Mumbai Indians have been winner most of the times. After that, Chennai Super Kings, then Kolkata Knight Riders. We also see that uh, there is some spelling mismatch. So the Super Giants and Super Giant, uh, Rising Pune Super Giant. So I tried to replace the spellings so that the correct number of times a team has won is being found out. And after that, I see that is being sorted out. So it's now 15, which was initially 10 and 5. So after that, I tried to find out the length, how many teams played the match over the years. So there were 14 teams. Then the teams with most number of wins, the winners. So it is Mumbai Indians, right? Then Chennai Super Kings. So that is being plotted here. Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders. Then after that, this was with the number of uh, winners who have been winners most of the time. After that, I've tried to analyze team with the most IPL titles over the years. So in 2008, Rajasthan Royals, then in 2009, Deccan Chargers. In this season, they kind of won, and in 2019, Mumbai Indians. So, which team has won the titles most number of times? So again, value counts for the winner is done. So we see that Mumbai Indians have won 4 times, Chennai Super Kings 3 times, Kolkata Knight Riders 2 times. So this is being tried to plot out here. So we see that yes, Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, they have won most of the times. Then after the team analysis, we also in the third aim we try to find out the things which have impacted the win. So firstly, we see the toss. Has toss impacted the team win? So we see Mumbai Indians have won toss most of the times. Then Kolkata Knight Riders and Chennai Super Kings. So yes, we conclude that toss does determine who is the winner, because in the previous section we saw that Mumbai Indians have won most of the times. So again, I try to replace it with the correct spelling, and then when value count was done, so yes, so if we see team with most number of toss wins, these were Mumbai Indians again. So yes, toss does determine who is the winner. After that, whenever a team won the toss, what was their preferred decision on the toss win is again seen. So we see that if a team won toss, they would field most of the times. They would and they would not opt to bat first, right? So after that, I tried to uh, plot that, and if they try to bat first, then uh, what is the decision, that is also seen. So we see that batting first, Mumbai Indians won most of the times, then Chennai Super Kings and all. And if we try to plot this over the graph, so we see that teams with batting first and winning. So Mumbai Indians were the first who used to bat first and used to win, then Chennai Super Kings and so on. So what we conclude from the above analysis is that total 14 teams participated in IPL, over which 6 won the title most of the times. Then Mumbai Indians is the most successful team in the IPL history with most IPL titles, that is 4, and most number of match wins as well. Also, the top 3 teams who won the tosses and the teams who uh, won the tosses preferred to field first 61.2% of the times. Mumbai Indians were the most successful team while they were defending the target. And amongst the players, if we talk about players, player analysis, we see that Chris Gayle has been the man of the match most of the times, and Virat Kohli has secured most number of runs in the IPL history. That was all from my side. Thank you.